Power, man, power.
Let me apologize for breaking transmission just now, but nevertheless we are back en route to Thompson. Victoria, Broomwell, Shophill, Belcaris. Then we go up through Cumberland to Banana Ground. Then we come back down Sanguinetti. Come back down through Reaches, Whitechap, Sanguinetti, Ferron, Tweedside. Let me apologize again for breaking transmission earlier. There was a little issue, but it has been sorted out, and we are en route now to Thompson Town. Yeah. We ain't had the struggles too. We ain't had the struggles too. Check in there and see, no? I don't have it. No, but I can't do anything. I'm on the live.
Big up, sir. Big up, big up, big up. Hey, girl, let's have a high now on the shirt. Power, me, yo. Power. Come and get a different shirt. We get a different shirt.
Yeah, give me now, give me.
We have to wear it.
No, man, you're not so sure. You're not so sure.
Oh. So pretty girl.
Oh boy. For those who are just joining us from morning, we have with us Dr. the Honorable Peter David Phillips, our party leader and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. We also have with us Peter Bunting, our co-campaign manager and Member of Parliament for Central Manchester. We are now entering into the town of Thompson. We are currently in Thompson. This division is represented by Comrade Kevin Shirley, former councillor and the next councillor when we shall call the parish council election. Power! Future.
PNP written in the road.
Heading into the town of Thompson with party leader Dr. Peter Phillips and MP Richard Azan for today, for next year and for 10 years from now. Mrs. Rona Jones Low, that was the problem we had just now. That's why we had to break transmission, but nevertheless it is being sorted out as we speak, so soon you will be entertained.
Highlight some of the work done in Thompson.
Some of the work that has been done in this division is the Thompson Post Office, the Thompson Poor Relief Office, the Thompson High School Playfield, the Thompson Homework Center, the Thompson Community Center and computer room. That these are projects that were all done by Richard Azan. Who you just see? Who you talk to?
Where is it?
It's a free rum you want.
Oh,
It's a free rum you get. You idiot.
What about School Road and Road?
Yeah, and come back up. And then one day
That's how we go to town or wherever.
well, I through Victoria, Shop Hill, go down. I'm wondering if we will have the enough time to go to Cumberland. I doubt it, but unless we will have to start moving a little faster because of the curfew.
Curfew in the car too.
Yeah.
That's for the reason.
When you approach Reach, mention the multi-purpose port. Reach is computer room.
We are in Thompson on School Road. Because the road is narrow, we had to leave most of the vehicles up top to avoid congestion. Nadine soon. We had a little glitch earlier and it's been sorted out. Then we will have some noise behind us. It is being sorted out as we speak.
So highlights my things in our live chat, so let me check.
We do it already.
The one over there, so now one over there? Payment of the riches primary. So the focal not just for riches but for many schools. Many of the school book vouchers for schools entering. Yes. Right, all of these are water harvesting project. Opportunities for many youth. Right. So just want to highlight some of the things our MP Richard Azan has done in his constituency. He has the edufocal not just for Reaches Primary School but many primary schools across the constituency, and also the issuing of book vouchers for students entering high school and the primary school, water harvesting projects, and opportunities for many youths and training, rehabilitation of the bridge in Lowood Dice Hill. If you want to know what sir has done for the school, just let me know so we can highlight it in the video. The court in Cumberland. A court Cumberland?
Yes.
We are live and direct here in Thompson Town as we head to Shop Hill. We have with us our leader party leader, Honorable Peter Phillips. And our MP from Northwest Clarendon, Comrade Richard Azan, and our MP from Central Manchester, Comrade Peter Bunting. It is a beautiful day here in Thompson Town. What do I say from all of us?
Sound like Emily Shields. Enhancement of every high school in northwestern Clarendon. Vocational areas in which each school would have received $500,000 yearly.
Also the building of the canteen in Sanguinetti Primary at the Sanguinetti Primary School.
Also the Poor Relief Office in Frankfield. I would have notified you of that earlier.
And let us not forget the Vice Principal's office at the Spalding Primary School.
Let us not forget the court, the netball court, multi-purpose court rather, at Alphonsus Davis High School, formerly
Spalding High, and also Sanguinetti Community Center.
Let us, the multi-purpose court in Tweedside, Sanguinetti, Silent Hill, Thompson Town.
Our MP has a vision for Jamaica and a vision for Northwest Clarendon. So let us give him the support on September 3rd and put your X beside the head.
Way to go, man.
Oh, and somebody here has mentioned that our member of parliament Richard Azan has also fixed the community center in Silent Hill. Partnership with Palmer School of Hope in Tweedside to provide skill training opportunities for youth in the constituency. Thank you, Nadine Johnson. We have Pam McDonald tuning in all the way from London. Big up yourself, Pam.
All right, see.
We have Sonia Sterling logging in. Sonia, big up yourself. Yvonne Bailey said, Mr. Azan, the man for the people and with the people. And I totally agree with you, Yvonne Riley. Nadine Morris is watching all the way from Hanover. Nadine, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up, big up, Nadine. We have our supporters on the route. We are in Thompson Town and our supporters are out in their number. We have Sharon Samuel Richards watching all the way from New York. Sharon, big up yourself. You name it, and Comrade Richard Azan did it. And I totally agree with you, Raquel Brown. I totally agree with you. If you can name the project, I can assure you that our MP Richard Azan has done it, and he will continue to do it. We have Patrice Miller watching from St. Catherine. We have Delta Tomlin watching from Manchester. Big up yourself. We have Veronica Johnson. We have Nikki Nix. And we have Sushana Blake, Janet Mackenzie, Yvonne Riley, Rona Jones Lowe, Keisha, Kenisha Store. Big up yourself all the time. Rum Rum from all the way in New York. Big up yourself, Rum Rum, your lodge. And I agree with you, Sonia Williams. Comrade Richard Azan is a must. PNP straight. As you can see, our comrades are lining up behind us. They have came out in their numbers and they're here. We also have the police task force with us en route, and we must big them up, big up the Jamaica Constabulary Force all the time. Rum, if you're a JLP, you better get off the page and give me back my hoodie, you know, give me back my big up. Oh, so if you're a labor writer, try to come off our page. Jennifer Gunter has tuned in all the way from Montego Bay. Jennifer, big up yourself, big up yourself. Shantoy Thompson is watching from Thompson Town. Shantoy, big up yourself. As you can see, our member of parliament Richard Azan is in his sunroof chilling and greeting the people of Northwest Clarendon. Janet Hansen is watching all the way from Canada. Big up yourself, Janet. We over here on the People's National Party side, we are decent people and we don't believe in stirring up things that are unnecessary. So if you're here to view and watch and comment positive things, then of course we will hail you up, because that is what we're about: uplifting community, uplifting lives, and instilling positive mindset in young people. We have Darren Forrester all the way in New York. Darren, big up yourself. We have Lydia Mitchell, and she a big up all the PNP massive. Big up yourself, big up, big up, big up. Our Jamaica Constabulary Force Stars team at it. Our supporters are out in their numbers. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. Bright, bright, beautiful orange. Look at them. We have somebody here. We have Floyd Palmer tuning in from Christiana Silent Hill. We have Delgado Way watching from Manchester, England. Big up yourself, Delgado. Give them no space. I'm gonna try to squeeze in if I give them space. Alright, watch out, see now. We have our supporters here on the truck. You know we can't leave out our good truck on the campaign. The truck have to be on the campaign. Shout out to our live viewers. Shout out, pick up yourself. On our way to Shop Hill. We love it, we love it, we love it. We're loving the look over here. We're loving the view. We're loving everything about the People's National Party. Again, we're tuned in. We are on our way to Shop Hill. And we are traveling with our party leader, Comrade Peter Phillips, and our MP, Comrade Richard Zazan, and also our MP from Central Manchester, Peter Bunting. And we're out in our numbers. Our supporters are here. And we're going.
Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright. I think you never call it. No? You make such.
Our comrades are here, our supporters are here to meet our party leader and or MP and other respective guests here with us today. Where they're out in their orange and they're looking beautiful as ever. We will indeed get rid of them on September 3rd, 2020. Be smart, be wise, and put your head beside your ex beside the head. Our very strong supporter there, bigging up Richard Azan.
Mucho, thank you.
Looking at the beautiful line of traffic coming up. Nothing but orange. On our way, you know we can't leave out our supporters. And let me tell you people, this motorcade is not just another little fanky motorcade. I have seen there are a lot of vehicles and supporters here today to support our party leader and our MP Richard Azan. Our way to Victoria now. Look at that, just look at that. have our always supporting PNP supporters on the truck. We are on our way to Victoria. Yes, Andrea Wilson, we were informed earlier that our Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, is in Clarendon and they should be in our vicinity, but that is no threat to us because we have Northwest Clarendon under lockdown, and in fact we have the entire Jamaica under lockdown. We are now in Victoria, coming to you live from Victoria.
Power, mommy, power.
And as you know, the orange is very, it can't be hidden easily. So we are out, the orange hidden. See there? The big orange flag. Can't hide, can't hide. Yes, we're out with the stunting boss, Mr. Bunting. We're also out with the very hard-working MP Richard Azan. And we're also out with our party leader, Dr. Peter Phillips. We have Michelle Benny tuning in from Montego Bay. We have Keisha Dixon Smith. Keisha, we are now in Victoria.
baby. No real Rasta can't follow the dream. No Rasta can't follow the dream. Because the dream man them still have the Rasta man them. Remember, Coral Garden.
Well, when he stopped,
Go up, Rose, go. Go up close.
Go up, figure.
Go up close.
I just him alone want. I just him alone want.
We know they say them a sit, them a try and cut you. Go close. Our comrades are waiting here in Victoria Square out and stunting, comrades.
Tell them we're heading into Bloomwell, Bloomwell.
We're heading into Bloomwell.
Shop Hill.
Shop Hill, to be exact. And we're out and stunting, as you know. Remember, I win, you win. I vote for the people.
Oh.
Our motorcade looking very lovely behind us.
Very healthy.
The next time say school and I will jump on it. You're on live. Yeah. See me now, turn it around.
Our supporters are out and stunting supporters. Power all the way. MP Richard has done all the way. The People's National Party all the way. Thanks. Quite a bit of. Oh, it. Wait, this 1 minute.
Sorry, look there. Look up there, so.
Yeah, but now.
Hey, Stacy, look up a hill. Alright. A one boss this. Look up a hill. Of course the motorcade big.
Can't go down a hill.
No.
It's not
How we
going
down a
to
hill down?
I just want this to be
Like at the Prime Minister himself.
You want for the top the name Andrew, you name
It's
Azan.
Azan Power!
Hey, boy, say this is Andrew.
PNP always ready, PNP always ready, PNP always one with a bag of things, and a bag of things. Riverbank come down bank to bank and bank up down a bank.
Everything bang up.
Everything bank up.
Rise of the PNP list. Rise and all that. Rise up. Today I think what you know, Kalim. Today I try to analyze and I interpret what the most doing. And they only come and leave up. Here's the rock. Yes, I am. Bless up, bless up. Bless up. How many? Oh, you come in my office.
We have Nika Bam Bam watching all the way from Portland East. And we have Nikki Nix in the house always here. We have Mylene Niels always here with us. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. No show around here, straight power. Power for the people all the time. Open the WhatsApp. Forget it. Let me get the message then.
Big up, big up.
We're still in Broomwell, going through Broomwell.
Oh, mama.
We say power all the time, no shower. Power, straight power, straight power. Orange, big and red, can't hide. Remember on Orange, wait, on hungry, me, remember nothing.
Oh, I'm General. Oh, you don't need your friend.
Comrade, look for rain, testimonial, something like that.
So we are on our way now through Broomwell, heading to Shop Hill. Achievements in the Reaches division, of course. I will start at Sunbury, in which a container of furnitures was given to the school in June for their preparation for COVID. The Urel Denton Homework Center in Reaches was built by Richard Azan. The Tweedside Primary School bathroom was completely refurbished by Richard Azan. Road from Whitechap to Reaches was rehabilitated by MP Richard Azan.
Reverend Rainer from the Sanguinetti Primary School. At Sanguinetti Primary School, our students have benefited from the EduFocal program. We were also able to be a part of the football clinic put on by our MP. We are in progress of getting a new canteen and lunchroom collaboration with the ministry. Our MP is responsible for the lunchroom. Students and staff will now look forward to dining. We have also received water tanks for rain harvesting, so that will not run out our water. Our students receive book vouchers to help with back to school, and also free medical for students at his annual health fair. We also receive musical instruments or musical equipment for our students who were a part of the music camp put on by our MP Richard Azan. Our students have a good netball court and also a playing field. And we are grateful to MP Richard Azan. As our motto states, I win, you win. Continue to touch and build lives, MP Richard Azan. Thank you, Laverne Rayner, for that. That was a mouthful.
Alrighty, we're still en route to Shop Hill. We have a very good day here in northwestern Clarendon today. With us, for those who would have just been joining us, we have the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, of course, the Most Honorable Dr. Peter David Phillips. We also have with us MP Richard Azan, the Member of Parliament rather, and the next Member of Parliament, of course. We have with us Comrade Peter Bunting, our co-campaign director, and our MP for Central Manchester. Our MP is also supportive of families who would have lost loved ones. He is always around in various moments of life, whether happy times, sad times, or in between. MP Richard Azan has always been around. Azan.
My girl is saying to go to juice. They have it. And they have Sunbury, you know? PNP, the PNP.
We are going through Sunbury that the JLP thought they controlled, but persons would have refused them time and time again here because this community would have seen that MP Richard do cares. It was earlier this year, the entire road from Shop Hill to Victoria was patched by MP Richard a man who sees more than just color. From time to time, comrades, we will have a bit of a breaking in transmission or a freeze because of the internet connection, but as soon as we get to stronger areas it will reconnect. We are now in Sunbury. We are currently in Sunbury. Then we'll be heading into Shop Hill. Yeah. Boa.
Sweet the road. Sweet the road.
Raquel, that's the name, Sabina and Johan. Thank you very much. Are heading into Shophill. Bro God. Well, let me not call this man Bro God because there's only one God. I'm not even going to call the Prime Minister. Andrew went to Shophill earlier today. So we are now going to stamp our approval in Shophill to let him know that Shophill belongs to Richard Azan and the People's National Party. And if you want to slide off in a city? Big up to those who are watching from New Jersey, New York, St. Kitts, Canada, England, Florida, everywhere you're watching from. Big up to those, even here in Jamaica, from all the 14 parishes watching us. China, Japan, Tokyo, Dubai. Israel, Dubai, anywhere in the world you're from. Respect. Respect, respect. Boy, comrades, I am so sorry that you can't see the length of this motorcade. I just got a call, would have just received a call that some people still in Victoria Square, and for those who know the constituency well, we are currently in Shophill and Good. Forward. Good. Oh, mami, forward. Forward, Mr. General. Forward, Mr. General. We are currently in Shophill, Glenwood Springs, Shophill. We are currently in Shophill, Glenwood Springs. Comrades, I'm going to try zoom up a bit. All that you're seeing, there's lines of traffic backing straight up on the hill.
Kev, you get hot, Kev.
Give me one shot, give me one shot.
No shot, no shot.
You get hot, no, you can't get that one. You get hot now, man. Remember, General.
plug it in. You plug it.
Some never got more plug in a third vehicle.
Wonder this about stick.
We are now in Belcaris. We're heading to Cumberland. Heading to Cumberland Banana Ground now.
We're now on our way to Cumberland. As you know, we have to tour all the division in our constituency, and you know MP Richard Azan is the man of choice. So remember, on September 3rd, be smart and put your X beside the head. Our supporters are out. And I'm sure a lot of persons can testify that has done for his constituency, for Northwest Clarendon. And it's just the beginning of what he has started. The best is yet to come. Trudy Stevens, so big up yourself. Claudette Edwards, big up yourself. Clarista Hansen, big up yourself all the time. Comrade Richard Azan, the People's National Party. We have Tashay Hansen Mitchell from Canada tuning in. Sonia Williams is still here with us on the live.
Oi, what are you doing today, man?
Iron Man. Iron Man.
don't know. Over.
Big up to all the PNP massive across Northwest Clarendon and all the other constituencies. You know PNP thing large. Large and in charge, I was told. We're going to sweep them out on September 3rd, 2020. So be smart and be wise and put your X beside the head. Charmaine Walker, big up yourself all the time. Charmaine Walker, Anthony Barnaby, big up yourself. Damian, big up yourself all the time. Thanks for bigging me up. Robert Williams, big up yourself. Time. Delta Tumbling, big up yourself. We're going to get rid of them, of course. On September 3rd, we will indeed get rid of them. Trudy Stevenson, big up yourself. Vanessa Smith said we're in her area. Vanessa, come out and show yourself, no? Show yourself, man, but the PNP, you're online and you're also in person. We're now in Cumberland and we're going straight. So Shawnee Blake, you know my line of profession has always been teaching, and that is where I am. You know, I can probably use this as my side piece talent. Just look at that, I tell you people, you know, this motorcade is a very long motorcade, you know. It doesn't start, it starts here but it doesn't end here. Because the PNP massive rollout, we're going to show the JLP, the labor rights them say, we are here and we are large and in charge.
I need your grandmother.
Okay. Yeah.
And big up yourself. If you're in your area and you're on live, just come out and show yourself on the live so people can know that we are passing through your area. Going through Cumberland. So if we're in your area, just come out and show yourself. Our Prime Minister Dr. Peter Phillips is here with us, and our Member of Parliament MP Comrade Richard Azan, and of course all the way from central Manchester we have Comrade Peter Bunting with us, and somewhere along the line we have our comrade from St. Anne, Comrade Valentin Wins. Raquel Brown. 2020, we will definitely sweep out the Jamaica Labour Party, as we also call them, the Labour Rights, and the
Dixie. Show them Dixie.
Dixie. What touch me, man? Gone with them, man.
Gone with them, Dixie.
Anywhere PNP massive, it always turn up and it always large. I heard them say PNP bank come down, PNP river come down bank to bank.
Jessica.
Another project done by our MP Richard Azan in Cumberland, the route to Cumberland Primary School, which we will all see in a minute.
He also would have given Cumberland Primary School light at a point of $3 million. There was no light at that school for years now, and MP Richard Azan made that possible last year. He also would have built a catchment tank there last year also of $1.5 million that the school get adequate water. So this is a member of parliament that works.
I tell you, MP Richard Azan has done so much for his constituency, and he will continue to do it once he is in power. So be smart and be wise. And on September 3rd, you put your eggs beside the head. Browntown Road, as we are approaching, done by our member of parliament Richard Azan, as you can see ahead of us. Well paved. What they call it, Baba Green?
With proper drainage.
Proper drainage, so the water can run on the sides.
Done by
Our MP Richard Azan.
The fight to Richard. No, Mr. Rose did commentating today. No. No man, in a thirst he just used mashy. Power, mama, power.
Our PNP candidate out.
Come here with
Once more, I want to big up all those who are on live. You have tuned in from morning and you're still here. We appreciate you and we love you. I would really like for you all to see the length of this motorcade from where I am sitting, but unfortunately you are not going to get the best view, but the motorcade is huge. I wish you all on live could be here to support with us, to support us today and take charge. As you can hear, the future generation, they know what is good for them, and it is definitely power to the people. Our PNP supporter out in our colors. Big up MP Richard Azan all the way. The big man himself, MP Richard Azan.
And you can talk about the farming community and the MP providing fertilizer and seeds and stuff.
And I should tell you, we are in a farming community, and you know, in a farming community they always look forward to stuff, and Richard Azan has donated fertilizer and potatoes and you name it, he gave it. Chicken feeding, seeds, you name it, he did it. Farm supplies. Delta Tomlin, we will definitely miss you. Our comrades are out. on September 3rd, 2020, we will definitely get rid of them. We will sweep them out and we will do all that we can to make sure they do not return to Governor's house.
Logan!
And oh, Richard Azan has done so much for the youth in his constituency. So much. He has created programs and they have all been a part of it, well, majority. He has done so much investment in education. But some people just tune on to like. I want to big up all those who are just tuning into our live channel. Heading to Banana Ground now. Look at our supporters out here. We are on our way to Banana Ground.
Power mama. No shirt.
Rum, we don't care about if Brogard is in Spaldings. We will take over Spaldings. Once we are in Spaldings, Brogard and his massive have to clear out PNP town. No doubt about that.
We are now approaching Miss Polly's house. This is the first social housing that MP Richard has saw it on Facebook last week. This house right here is work done by Richard Azan, and they represent, of course, Miss Polly. This house was built by Richard Azan last year. There are many achievements of Richard Azan. We are now heading into Banana Ground, comrades. After we would have left Banana Ground, we are coming back through to Cumberland, reaches Sanguinetti down Ferron, Tweedside, Alston, Top Alston, Moravian to Silent Hill. When we would have left Silent Hill, we are then heading back to the great Spalding town. So while Brogard is in Spalding town, him can go and borrow it for a while, but we're coming back. Also, as we speak about schools, MP Richard Azan would have ensured that all schools would have received black tanks to ensure
constituency
It keeps tripping because of the poor internet connections and there's an overcast. So whenever it stops, it's because either the rain has come down or the internet connection has dropped. We're now entering Banana Ground, where Comrade Bunting has a section and Comrade Azan has a section. We want to thank the party leader for being on the road with us today. I want to give up a big shout out to all the mothers in northwestern Clarendon, the hard-working mothers in northwestern Clarendon. Comrades, the rain is coming down. I am going to see how long I can hold it out because I would like each and every one of you to see what is happening on the ground with us here in Banana Ground. So forgive me whenever it cuts off. We are now in Banana Ground, comrades. We're in Banana Ground. Comrades, as soon as the rain stops, I will be back out, but the rain is coming down.